Today, take a look at the OLIGHT Baton Ultra. So there is the flashlight. We have a nice aggressive texture on here. We got our clip. That is the style that I prefer, so you can clip it from the bottom or you can clip it from the top, depending on how you want this guy to hang. It does have our twist cap on the back. That reveals our USB-C port, or we can use that with our magnetic charger there on the back. You got a nice smooth reflector there with that LED in the center, and I do appreciate that nice subtle branding on there. Let's go ahead and spin this guy apart. Can see that we do have that O-ring right there to make sure that it is sealed, and we do have that protective cap to make sure it won't turn on in shipment. That is an OLIGHT branded 18650 battery, very common style of battery to have, so very nice in the event that you want to have replacements available. 3500 milliamp hour, 3.6 volt. Okay, so if we turn that guy on, we can see right now we are on level 2 and we have 3 bars of charge. If we press and hold, that is how we adjust the brightness, and you can also see the indicator on there will change to reflect the brightness. So there is low, medium, and high. And high is actually quite bright, but it is not the brightest setting. If we double tap, that goes to turbo, which is very bright. If we turn that guy off, press and hold for about a second, that goes to moonlight mode. So you can see the LED is on. It's just putting out a very dim light on there, which is going to be good enough for if you just need to read something in the dark. The benefit of that is you're going to be able to run that guy for a very long time without having to worry about draining the battery. So double tap is turbo, and then triple tap, that is our strobe. Now these new batons also have another trick. They actually have the charger is also a push button. So if we can press that, that goes to high. We can turn that off. We can press and use it as a momentary switch. Or we can double tap and go straight to turbo. So if you don't want to grab it there, you prefer that button, it's very nice having that as an option. Do have a little mounting bracket, so if you want a spot that you can just stick this, you got that as an option. You can just adhesive that to the wall. I've got an extra guy right here for that. Here's talking about the quality of the material. This is using what they're calling OAL, 1.73 times harder than 6061, 1.44 times the yield strength of TA2 titanium, and 1.73 times the tensile strength of TA2 titanium. So very good stuff. I can also say that I believe that because I've been using an OLIGHT Arc Pro for a while, and that thing I can beat the absolute heck out of.
And I've even recently accidentally tossed it off of the 3rd level of that press. I had some paper in my hand, so I was shoving that over the side. I stone-handed it, and this went off the edge with it. It was even still on, and when it landed, it was just like that, still on. And I couldn't believe it. The most unbelievable thing about it was there isn't even really crazy damage on here. I mean, just like some paint scuffs. When I say I beat this thing up, that is not an exaggeration at all. So this thing is just a monster. So this is the reason that I am a fan of OLIGHT, which is why I'm interested in looking at these flashlights right here.
And it also talks about the high intensity and exceptional color purity of the light that you're getting out of it. And here is our charger. So this is the style of charger that I prefer. It's got that little magnetic tip on there. So as long as you get that in the general vicinity, it is just going to automatically grab onto that flashlight and it's strong enough to hold it. And that is a simple USB-A, and it does have the branding there on the back that says that it goes up to 2 amps. So when that's plugged in, we can see that that is lighting up green. And when we put our flashlight on there, that goes to red so that we know that it is charging. Very nice. So let's check out the specs. So this is the spec sheet for the Baton 4 Pro and the Baton Ultra. So we're going to be looking at the numbers on the right side for this one. This one is the big guy. So in turbo mode, that is 1800 to 600 lumens. And high, that is 600 to 120 lumens. Medium is 120 lumens. Low is 15 lumens. And moonlight is 1 lumen, but it can last for over 3 months. Net weight is 115 grams or 4.06 ounces. Maximum range is 300 meters. Maximum light intensity is 22,500 candles. That is considerably higher than the Baton 4 Pro. Drop impact resistance is 2 meters. LED is max 18 watts. Has 113 millimeters by 23 millimeters. Operating temperature is 0 to 45 degrees Celsius. And IP rating of IPX8. And then here on the right side, it tells you what all the different functions are. One thing I did not do is the lockout and unlock. Lock, we're just going to press and hold for 1 second. You can see the LED went on and off. And now we can press that as many times as we want. We don't have to worry about that turning on. So if we're going to throw that thing in a bag and take it on an airplane or whatever, we don't have to worry about that. Very nice to have that.
So here is the Ultra. We are on low, medium, high. And the high is actually pretty darn bright. It's got a turbo, and that turbo just kind of penetrates everything. Yeah, the turbo is a bit extra ridiculous. So let's compare that to the turbo on the Baton 4, turbo on the Ultra. 4, Ultra. And if you want the best, the Ultra is definitely going to be the way to go. So here we are in moonlight mode. It is plenty easy just to read stuff, especially worth keeping in mind. This can run for over 3 months just like this. So, I mean, if you want to just put this somewhere and then be able to go find it later, you literally just leave the light on. Not a ton of light, but if you don't need a ton of light, maybe you're just trying not to be seen, that can be very useful for that as well. So here, this is low, medium, high, and turbo. And turbo is way too much for close quarters. Let's flip around the hall. Now we are looking down a hallway, low, medium, high, and turbo. But we can't see all the way down there. We can see that water heater. Let's go to medium. And we can peek inside that unit, see what's going on. That is plenty of light for that. Plus of the fact, we got that magnet on the back. Means that we can work with both of our hands. We even got that clip on there, so we can clip that onto our hat or clip that onto our pocket. But yeah, if you're looking for the Baton style flashlight and you want the absolute best one that you can get, Baton Ultra, that is going to be the one that you want. Overall, I am very happy with that.